What I love about our culture is we have a real family feel. The team members in-house, we are our work family.
We have a very diverse office that with people that are from all over the world and speak a number of different languages.
The focus on career development at Harvard Western Insurance is just unbelievable. So it's one of our values is professionalism, and we consider that, development. And that's something that I really look for.
It's almost best if we get people that are green to the industry because we do offer all in-house training.
I think that there's opportunity in this organization for people to come in and be authentic.
It's a strengths-based culture, a passions-based culture, and then there is so much opportunity to develop.
There's always a really clear path for me as to how I could succeed here and how I could develop and grow and do more.